Hi friends, I want to show you this sunflower themed gift box. This box is the perfect gift for that special person. When you open the box, you can find this message, a box of sunshine for you, printed on it. Comes with a card so you can write a loving note. Also a sunflower themed blanket with shine bright like a sunflower printed on it. This gift box can be used for Christmas, birthday party, appreciation party, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day or Valentine's Day. And it can also be used as a get well soon gift. An insulated stainless steel cup, give her the gift of warmth, express your encouragement and blessings to your friendship, best friend, sister, girlfriend, wife, mother, and daughter. It's an elegant gift, heartfelt and warm. The sunflower gift box is your perfect gift giving choice. And a lovely sunflower style hand towel. A scented candle. And a bottle of natural bath salts filled with yellow flower petals. Sunflower pattern bath ball. A diamond handcrafted soap made from pure botanical floral scents. I love it. See you!